Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. My name is Putri Nur Ashah. Today, I would like to present on proposal to implement sustainable energy management system in University Technical Malaysia Melaka. This proposal is to gain endorsement from top management to establish sustainable energy management system (SEMS) in Utem for 3-star energy management gold standard certification from Asian Energy Management Scene (AEMAS). There is steps needed to be taken. The objective of this proposal are to gain endorsement from top management to establish sustainable energy management system (SEMS) in Utem, and to get consent for financial budget. Now we will enter University Technical Malaysia Melaka Utem was a result of rebranding of College University Technical Kebangsaan Malaysia (KUTKM), which was established on 1st December 2000 as the first technical public university in Malaysia. Utem was strengthened in technical fields as a focus university, which were engineering, information technology and management technology. By implementing SEMS, university will be benefited for the following reason. A. Systematic energy cost management to achieve energy cost is set up. B. Reduce operation and maintenance costs. C. Increase staff awareness for energy conservation and waste minimization. The roadmap to achieve 3-star certification for energy management gold standard is as follows. To achieve 1-star requirement, this requires A. Certified energy manager. B. Motivation plan for the personnel involved in the energy management system. C. Budget allocated for investment in energy efficiency measure. D. Procurement policies and internet investment criteria EE friendly. To achieve 2-star, the requirement is the same as 1-star, except with an addition of either one of the following. A. Overall energy efficiency improved by 5% over 2 years. B. Overall energy consumption decreased by 5%. C. EEI improved by 1%. D. Energy efficiency achieve at least 1% overall energy saving. E. EE measure representing at least 50% of the total energy saving potential of recommended measure. The requirement for 3-star certification open only for 2-star certified recognition. Same criteria as for 2-star and energy manager must be professional energy manager. The process for EMGS certification.
My name is Anwar Shafi bin Muhammad Azmi. Today I would like to present about the evaluation of energy management status. Figure 1 show the energy management metric for Utem campus technology, which consists of 6 classes, which are energy, policy, energy team, motivation, information system, marketing and investment. This figure 1 consists of 5 levels, start from level 0 until level 4. Figure 1 shows the current energy management metric status for Utem campus technology. The pattern of the energy management metric shows there is some of expectation towards energy saving, but still not meet requirement that certify to increase the efficiency of the usage of energy saving. The level of the investment should be improved, which have to provide some budget to enhance the energy saving efficiency. By implementing SEM, it is hoped that 3-star EMGS can be achieved.
Assalamualaikum and hi guys. My name is Muhammad Afizal. Now I want to explain about the sustainable energy management system to propose to Utem Technology campus. Before this, one center of excellence has been established to accommodate and support this idea, and it is called the Center for Advanced Research on Energy. In line with the university plan, establishment of a research center of excellence is one of the strategic planning in order to strengthen the research capability, taking into account the national agenda, pertinent industrials need and state-of-the-art of knowledge development. Faculty of Mechanical Engineering (FKM) has identified that sustainable energy and automotive as their niche area to be focused on in their research activities. This can lead to a reduction in energy consumption and an increase in reliability. This is the purpose of great economic and environmental management committee for Utem Technology Campus. Top management for this chart is CEO, and followed by middle management, which is Register of Corporate Service, Vice President of Academic Development, Treasurer of Finance, General Manager of Student and Energy Manager. The Purpose Energy Management Committee will meet once in every 4 months. The Energy Manager will report to Chairperson the energy consumption performance. The energy management planning is catered to different level of staff depending on the requirement. This table shows the purpose of the level of variety of training needed by different staff. First is Energy Awareness Seminar. This type of training is about awareness, which is high priority to all of the level in energy management that need to aware on energy usage. Second is EAC Working Procedure. This type of training is about technical on how to manage EAC that high priority by administration staff. Other training are System Optimization Training, Workshop on ENMS, and Energy Monitoring. This training is focused on administration staff and academic staff. And the last is Energy Management Planning. This training is high priority for top management to conduct and suggest on how to manage the energy for the Utem Energy Campus.
Good day everyone, my name is Lee Ka-jun. Today I'm going to present about the energy review for FKM building in Utem. The FKM building is divided into Field Zone Core Energy Account Centers (EAC) for effective controlling of energy consumptions. So it's divided into 4 EAC. The EAC 1 stands for lecture rooms, lecturers' office rooms, and EAC 2 stands for computer labs and library. EAC 3 stands for administrative office, and EAC 4 stands for laboratories. From the load breakdown pie charts, we can see that EAC 1 has the highest electricity usage at about 2.6 million kilowatt hour a year. The EAC 2 consumes the second highest of electricity at about 1.66 million kilowatt hour, while EAC 3 consumes about 1.15 million kilowatt hour. The EAC 4 consumes the less electricity at about 460,000 kilowatt hour a year. The Energy Efficiency Index (EEI) is calculated on yearly basis, which is shown in the pie chart. So we can see that the EAC 1 has the lowest EEI, which is about 283.5 kilowatt hour per meter square, and the EAC 2 has the highest EEI, which is about 430.17 kilowatt hour per meter square. It is assumed that with 5% increment annually and using C1 tariff rates, the energy consumption will increase from 5.869 million kilowatt hour in 2014 to 7.49 million kilowatt hours in 2019. At the same time, the electricity cost will increase from 2.14 million ringgit in 2014 to 2.73 million ringgit in 2019. Therefore, by implementation of sustainable energy management systems, it is targeted that by 2017 there is 5% of total EEI reductions, and by 2019 there is 10% of total EEI reductions. Besides, there should be annual EEI improvement more than 1%. The projected electricity consumption without SEMS is 7.49 million kilowatt hours, while the projected electricity consumption with SEMS implemented is 5.282 million kilowatt hours in 2019. Besides, with the SEMS implemented, it is expected that the total yearly saving will be about 2.2 million ringgit in 2019. Therefore, with implementation of SEMS, by benchmarking against 2014, there will be 5% and 10% of EEI reduction that could be achieved by 2017 and 2019 respectively. To achieve 1-star requirement, the FKM building needs to establish and endorse energy policy and appoint energy management committee. Besides, they need to raise awareness of employees and identify all the EAC. Besides, they also need to set EEI targets. Then, in order to achieve 2-star requirement, there should be commitment from top management to implement ECM, which is energy consumption measure. They need to achieve 5% of total EEI reductions, and the overall energy consumption should be decreased by 5%. Besides, implementation of ECMS at EAC level should be done. The energy consumption measures that need to apply in EAC level to achieve 2-star requirement includes setting the temperature of air conditioning to 24 degrees Celsius and replace the 36 watt fluorescent lamp with energy efficient LED lamp. Then, install motion sensors for lighting and install energy monitoring meters. Besides, they should change the operating hours of air conditioning to 8 hours. This means that it should be switched off during the break time. Then, installation of 7-day programmable thermostat should be done, and most importantly, there should be routine maintenance for SCMV systems, which mean for air conditioning and mechanical ventilation system. The expected cost for these implementations are about 115,000 ringgit, and we expect that the maximum payback period is 3 years. Then, to achieve 3-star requirements, there should be a 10% of total EEI reductions, and the overall energy consumption should decrease by 10%. There should also be budget commitment from top management to implement sustainable energy usage. And most importantly, there should be ECMS implementation at EAC level. The ECMS that need to implement at EAC levels for 3-star requirement including installing variable frequency drive for SCMV systems. Besides, replace the grazing fasciates by grazing material with low solar heat gain coefficients so that the heat will not transfer into the FKM building. The total expected cost is about 200,000, and the maximum payback period is expected to be 5 years. It is important to integrate SCMS into the business practice. Some of the benefits from implementing SCMS as part of Utem FKM building business module is cost reduction through efficient use of energy and reduce vulnerability to fluctuating energy price and blackouts. Then, to increase productivity and improve reputation with society through environmental protections. It also improves staff motivations, health and safety, and finally, compliance with ISO 14001 targets. Finally, the milestone to achieve for Certified Energy Management Standard are shown in the table. It is expected that the 3-star management gold standard will be achieved by December of 2019.